Hello all, XBR here. Today we are fixing my friend's sport car. The spoiler, which is wobbly, needs to be screwed with new clips because the old ones broke first. Let's start with the trunk screws. As you can see, we removed the screws, but we need to remove the whole wing too. After that, we need to clean that build-up dirt and make it shiny. Let's start with the magical spray for €2. This thing cleans every surface. You can make salad with it too. As we can see, one of the clips is broken. That's because this is seat and everything in a seat has to break or has to be done with tape, screws or even prayers, depends on the scenario. The clip was fixed thanks to double component glue, one at the front for the white group cars. We glued it like from the factory and the little prayers. Now let's put the screws back on and then try it. Now let's test our work and test the durability. Looks all good. We made an amazing job with the clips and the double component glue. Also the prayers worked too. We will see how it performs in driving conditions. That is all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thank you.